Our company is called IPL Group. We are a 3PL warehousing company that supports global companies to make their business in Latin America easier using the Panama logistics platform. We are working on a project to establish a refurbish, repair, and responsible recycling a plant here in the Colón Free Trade Zone using the benefits of the Panama logistic platform to through reverse logistics, but cross-border reverse logistics, bring used IT equipment in Panama to be repaired or to be refurbished or to be dismantled and responsible recycled. This is something very new in our region. There is no other project like this in the past. We need from the students to make research on regulations and needs from the region for this kind of services. We know for a fact there are companies interested, but we need to get understand how governments view this, how regulations view this. So this is the main support, and also the best practices to help us to build the best practices on this kind of operations, because again there is no previous experiences on this. We are already building the operational capabilities for this, and we also have we already have a customer, but we believe that this could grow in a very exponential way if we can understand exactly what companies and countries need. We would like to get like the scale plan, how to scale the project, and also sales pitch. How to promote this with local governments or even global companies.